kids out here pulling fence posts, and this one here, she's soon to be 13 years old, my little workaholic. We get out here and work on this tractor. Using the bucket to pull fence posts. Put the chain on. Make sure she checks it. And you can do the same thing with a fulcrum point, like the bed of a pickup truck and a long board. And up it comes. There we go. Roll it out and give it to her. And then off we'll go again for the next one. Teach kids safety, man. Teach them how to work on stuff. Comes a long ways. Got my girls out here working with me today. All right, so Kara's going to show you how you tie up a post to remove it. She's going to wrap it around. She's going to get it down low and she's going to put it pretty tight. Put it 2 or 3 wraps around the post. And then she's going to hook it in its link. And then we're going to be using the backhoe to pull this thing out of here. So we've got a bunch of posts to remove today. We're putting in a different roll fencing system. And that's it. So you can look at here as we pull it out. Pretty simple. Just action on the control. And out the hole comes. Lower it down slowly, let her control that fence post. And then she controls it and she'll remove it. I got my other girl out here carrying and stacking and Kara wrapping and pulling. That's simple, guys. If a 12-year-old can do it, you can too. You don't need a tractor to do it either. You can do it with a post and set up a post like right here and put a big fulcrum on it and leave about 8 inches down for that chain and you can just pry them out.